40 years.
This October the 1st, 40 years. I started in 1981, October.
40 years.
How old were you then? 1981.
Me, 11.
Wow.
How old are you?
Yes.
27.
No.
40.
No.
45.
Good guess.
46.
Yeah.
Hey.
Still playing footy too.
I look 26.
Is that my fault that we're overweight? Says here there's 3.7 tonne over, 3.8 under braking. Oh, that's my lunch going for.
You get a big fine if you get pulled over by Service New South Wales or RTA. Overloaded, big fine.
$1,000 a tonne.
$1,000 a tonne. So I'm worth $1,000.
Comes out of your pocket, not ours.
I'll cover it. It's my shout.
We are civil construction crew. Whatever we do is big jobs.
Yeah.
You'll see when you get to this site, everything is big machine, big hole, big cranes, everything's big.
Even you. I just said to them, I want to go somewhere with the A team, and they put me in your truck. You must be the A team, mate.
Turn the stereo up, we're cutting his head.